Hi creative friends, my name is Ashley the Thrifty Chica. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new mystery box, and this is for Thanksgiving. So I'm really excited to share this with you. This is called the Holiday Mystery Box, and I'm going to tell you guys about some holiday exclusive sales that are going on, as well as some really fun goodies to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we do, make sure you've hit the subscribe button, and if you can, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me reach out to other people as well and give you guys more exclusive offers and fun things to work on for inspiration. So let's go ahead and open this mystery box. So the first thing, before we open the mystery box, I wanted to show you is the size difference on this mystery box. So here is a standard size mystery box that we've had from Cricut, and if you take a look at this one, it is a much deeper box, so you already can tell that this holiday box is going to give you a lot of stuff in it. So I wanted to show you guys that so you know what to expect in the mail when it arrives. So this one is called the Holiday Mystery Box, and let's open it up. It has multiple layers inside this box to show you. So the first thing that you'll see is that it's packaged completely differently. So Cricut has really been stepping up their game in making sure they're including a lot of different things in the mystery boxes, as well as making sure that everything arrives as safely as possible for you. So if we open this up, the first layer, you can see that there is an applicator and remover set. If you guys have not tried this, this is one of my favorite tools. I use this a lot for doing quilting and working with fabric. However, this is an amazing tool for using with something like paper. Also, if you're working with vinyl. So how I tend to use this is something that what I do is I'll apply my vinyl to my mat, and then I'll roll over it with the roller just to make sure that everything is firmly applied and that there's no air bubbles. So this is a great way to make sure that you get the best result when it's applying to your mat. And then there's also a pair of tweezers. I find these ones easier to work with than the backwards tweezers that are part of this standard set. So if you're like me, you might prefer these ones a little bit better, but this is so super handy, and I use this for pretty much all of my crafting. If we lift this up, you'll notice that there is a Cricut Cutie in the box. So let's go ahead, we're gonna play around with this one and see what it looks like. So this Cricut Cutie is in the color Seafoam. If you've never had a Cricut Cutie before, you might be curious what they are. They're the little mascot for Cricut, and they come in a variety of different colors. These you can find sometimes in special mystery boxes. Sometimes they'll be associated with in the past they've been with things like you can get one from an exclusive box or exclusive purchase, but generally you'll find these in mystery boxes, and this color Seafoam is so pretty. It's a very light, kind of like minty winter color, so I thought this was adorable. These are not included in the value of the box. This is just an extra bonus, and a lot of people love to collect them. I have been collecting these for the last few years as well, and I can't wait to put this with all of my Christmas decor. So as you guys can tell, there's another layer to this box, and before we continue with this, I wanted to give you guys a heads up on the value of this box. The retail value of this box is $122, and it's on sale for $49.99. I'll give you guys my coupon information and everything as we go along. Let's just start from left to right in here and take a look. So the first thing that you'll see is Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On. This is in the color Kelly, so Kelly Green. And Strong Bond, if you haven't used it before, is an iron-on that's guaranteed for at least 50 washes, and I have shirts that I've made years ago that are still going, still lasting, so I know that these work really well, and you can use a regular iron or your easy press machine with them. Perfect for something like making a t-shirt, a tote bag, so many different things, home decor that you can make with them. And I love this color. I think this is perfect for winter and for the holidays. Also, there's the color red in the Everyday Iron-On. This is also the Strong Bond Iron-On. And you'll see in the box there's another roll of iron-on, and this is a patterned set of iron-on. This is called the Rustic Lodge Lumberjack Sampler. If you guys have not tried this one is so adorable. They show you, in fact, with this one with the onesie, making a cute little onesie. I've used this for other tutorials, and I really love this one for the holidays especially. It just gives you that kind of winter vibe. It reminds me of, you know, the flannels that everyone wears in the fall and the winter especially. So, and if you guys like to create custom home decor or custom t-shirts, you guys know how expensive it can be to buy heat transfer vinyl or iron on. So having 3 rolls in this with multiple colors as well is such a great way to have like a huge amount to work with at a reduced price. So the next item in here is Cricut's premium vinyl in the color green. This is a removable matte vinyl. You guys, if you have not tried removable vinyl, you'll really love it, especially when it comes to creating home decor, making little wall decals. This would be so cute to make custom wall decals for the holidays, or you can make them for room decor. Really easy to apply, easy to weed and work with. There's also the color white, which these look so beautiful together. And then you'll also get the color Cardinal red. So all 3 of these are removable matte. So you can definitely create some custom home decor, maybe some signs, and make something really cute with this. These I can't wait to use together. Also, there's an additional roll. This is the premium vinyl Merlot sampler. So this gives you a variety of different colors to work with. There are 3 different colors in here. You'll see a nice bright white. There's kind of a wine color and also a silver. So it's a really great kind of accent to these colors as well. And then we have another layer of items in here. So let's go ahead and continue on. So if you go down to the next level here, you'll see that there's a bulk set of cardstock. This is a sampler for the holidays. There are 24 sheets, and I'm just going to show you guys some of the colors. So you get this beautiful cream color. You get a deeper kind of forest green in here. You get a mint kind of blue. I would say it's a little bit more blue, maybe robin's egg blue more than mint. There's also a bright red in here, so this is a nice classic blue red. Then there's kind of that Kelly green, and then a little bit lighter red shade. So this is perfect for the holidays. No matter what decor you like to create with, there's a little bit of something in there for everyone. If you have never played around with cardstock and you're wondering what you can use this for, this is super cute if you want to create a little custom banner, maybe hang up a little banner on the wall with Christmas trees on it, or you can just create some custom decor for winter specifically that would look really pretty. Maybe kind of celebrate you know, how pretty the season is, and do some blue and white, maybe some snowflakes. And you can make cards with this as well. There are so many different cards in the Design Space software you can create with. So if you haven't tried working with cardstock, I would definitely recommend it. And I really do like Cricut's cardstock. So the last 2 items in the box is a set of 2 StandardGrip mats, and if you guys are like me, you'll try to stretch out your mats as long as possible. I definitely do that as much as I can. So make sure when you get these that you just keep the top sheet that comes with it and then just apply it back down over it, and it'll help prevent anything like hair or lint getting on the mat. And then you can also wash them with water or soap and water if it's very dirty. But these are great because having a new set of StandardGrip mats makes it so that you can just start crafting right away. So everything that you have in the box, you can just get crafting right out of the box. So here is everything inside the box. Remember, you'll be getting 3 rolls of Strong Bond iron-on. These are great for projects where you want to do iron-on HTV projects. You can create custom shirts, custom pillows, custom pretty much anything you can think of that's fabric. I've also used it on things like wood. It works really great. We'll pick up some removable vinyl in 2 different colors here. This is the green and white, and on this side there's red and a sampler with red, silver, and white. You'll get the Cricut Cutie, which is so adorable, and this is in the color Seafoam. The Applicator and Remover Set. This just makes it so easy to adhere any material you're working with to your Cricut mats, and you get 2 new mats to work with. And you get a sampler set of cardstock that's perfect for the holiday season, as well as just perfect for this time of year. So $122, $49.99 on sale. Right now, Cricut has a ton of sales going on Today they have a sale starting that is 50% off materials and accessories. You can use my code, which will give you an extra 10% off, and it will give you 10% off tools, accessories, and materials. Plus, you always get free shipping with my code if it's over $50 using the code CREATE10. And with that, if you are a Cricut Access member, which this is a Cricut Access exclusive box, anything that you purchase with Cricut Access, you get 10% off with your membership, or 20% off if you have a premium membership. Right now, the Maker machines, the Classic Maker is normally $3.99, and it's going to be on sale for $2.49, so a really great deal. The Explorer 2 is normally $2.49, and it will be on sale for $1.69, so that's such a great way to craft with. The Joy is $1.79 normally, and it's going to be on sale for $129. And the Easy Press machines and the Mug Press will also be on sale. So the Easy Press machines are $49 for the mini, $149 for the 9x9, and $199 for the 12x10. Also, on top of all of these discounts, you can spend $100 and get a $20 coupon in the future. So Cricut has a specialty promotion right now. You can spend $100 on your cart, and when you check out, you'll get a $20 coupon within that week. So this is a great time if there's anything you've had an eye on that you've been excited about, or you want to stock up on materials for the next crafting year. This is a perfect time to get it because you can get an extra coupon to spend later on top of the 50% off sale with your extra percentage off for my coupon, and also your discount for your Access membership. So it doesn't get any bigger of a sale for materials and accessories than right now. This is literally the best time of year. So if you've been saving up any of your crafting budget, definitely check out the website. I'll have links in the description box. It'll take you directly there, so that way you can, browse around and see what you're interested in. There's so many deals right now. So I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving, and let me know what you guys are eating for Thanksgiving. We're having some turkey with some fresh veggies, and definitely going to have some candied yams and fresh bread and all of that. So we're really excited. I hope you have a lovely holiday, and I will talk to you later.